Whoops, sorry. The torrential, oh my goodness, and the camera's been adjusted. Well, it's nice that they were playing where you could actually see them for once when they adjusted the camera. Oh, hi. Well, hello. I know, I haven't seen you since this morning. You're so adorable, aren't you? You're so cute. Hi. I know I missed you too. It's been hours. Just hours. So, oh, I'd have to remember. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Tomorrow, you and you become men, in a sense. Oh, aren't you so cute? Sabbath. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, hi. Oh, the purring. So, applications are officially closed for these guys. We've gotten a bazillion. I have not looked at very many of them. But Laps has hopefully been calling and approving and all that stuff. And we'll probably go through with them in this week sometime, I guess. Is that's Super Grover in the basket? He loves him a basket. Oh no, what did you do? What did you do, Snuffy? Oh, so full of mischief. They're not going home this week, no, because they won't all be. Oh, 4 chatters have been approved. Oh my goodness. Well, that's good. I think we will have enough. I think we'll have plenty of well, we definitely have more than enough applications, and they were very good applications too, from the ones I saw. I know I see you, and you are very cute. Snuggy. Basically, Super Rover and Oscar are going in tomorrow, who I think would be a good pairing, actually. Yeah, I do. I do think that. What is in your mouth? What have you been chewing on, You have some fluff on your tongue. You have a fluff tongue. You have a fluff tongue. So 2 neuters tomorrow, and then the other ones, I'm not sure when. I think they'll be scheduled for the following week. So they won't be going home at least until everyone's neutered. What Abby Kadabby? She's meowing at the laptop broadcast of herself. Abby Kadabby. They love the zipper things. They love them. Hopefully 2 will go in pairs and 1 will go single, hopefully to a home with a friendly cat. You're so cute. He's that little eye trusty. Oh, Oscar. Nothing's wound up. Eve is doing very well. She gained another 0.13 pounds today. She's up to 8.5 pounds, up from, she was 7.4 when she arrived. And then when she was 6, she was down to 7.19 at the lowest. Now back up to 8.5. That's good. Snuffy is bulldozing the box. What is going on over there? Oh, and he just got inside. You guys can't see it there. Now Snuffy's inside. The girls are over there with him. This is Super Grover and Oscar in my lap. Super Grover and Oscar. Clementine has a fluff on her head. You're so silly. You're so silly. So much purring. Oh, Super Grover. The box game is so much fun. Whoops, oh no. Hi, Clementine. Oh, you're so cute. I'm so cute. So cute. Super Grover. Oh, you're so adorable. Aren't you cute? Aren't you so cute? I know. Yeah, you want your mousey? Oh, it matches. Hi, Abby Cadabby. Where's your sister? Hi, did you just poop? Hi, Super Grover. Oh. Oscar has invaded Snuffy's box. Look, go get your brothers. Go get your brothers. I think that I would get them some I am gonna miss them. That is true. Oh. You better get them some more dinner. More smooshy dinner. Stealthy. You're so stealthy. What if a poor unsuspecting mouse walked by? I'm sure Joel will come say goodbye. He also has requested to be on the application, on the selection panel, so he's quite attached. Oh, someone's getting attacked. It's a Super Grover and an Oscar having an epic battle over the ant. I'm gonna get some food. More food for them. Maybe we'll do another field trip tonight. They had quite fun last time. Oh, ferocious. Oh no, where are you going? Where are you going? I like your snacks. Look, I brought you snacks. It's like they haven't eaten in days, but they have. Okay, I will let them have their snacks.